I found the practice via a mail piece that I received in the mail. I was welcomed by their generosity and the sense of care that I sensed just on the phone. My first appointment with the practice was unbelievable. From the time I entered the door, they treated me like family and like I was one of their own. I have major dental phobia. I would tell anyone who has dental anxiety that this is the place for them. They made me feel really comfortable from the time I entered the door, and they took my dental anxiety away. I met Dr. Rowland at the practice, and she was unbelievable. At our first meeting, we really didn't even talk about my treatment plan. We just talked about my history and my family, and we just had great dialogue in terms of where I'm at in life and my goals, and later we got to my treatment plan. They told me forthright what was to be expected with the treatment plan, second to none in my opinion. I had a lot of restorative work done at the practice. From the time I entered the door to the time I left and after that, they're friends.